Guys, I have something important to share with you today. We're all going through tough times now. People are losing jobs, the lockdown is probably going to be extended, many people are beginning to work from home, many are losing their livelihood, and it looks like all these problems are going to affect us all negatively in the long run. We've all heard it in the news that the economy is on the verge of a Great Depression. Most likely in July 2020, it will be officially declared, and what that means is that there are going to be even more chaos. Companies will be bankrupt, unemployment will be on the rise, people's income sources will dry up. It's all going to be really bad. It looks like a solution to the virus pandemic is going to take some time, and until then, all of us have to compromise on a lot of things. Now, among all this chaos, I firmly believe there is opportunity for all of us. I mean, that's what we should all look forward to, right? Think positive and look on the bright side. This is what stock traders who are successful do. Whenever the market crashes, some people look at it as a disaster. But there's another type of people who look at it as an opportunity to buy more stocks. If they could buy more stocks when the price is the lowest, they would be making more money when the economy is back on track. Similarly, I think this is a big opportunity for all of us. For example, a lot of people are coming to me asking about how to start working from home, which is a good thing. But at least some of them have the wrong expectation. They think that soon after they start working from home, they'll be starting to make money or get projects and get hired immediately. That is not the truth. It'll take some time for you to earn the reputation before you start making money. Financial experts will tell you that in this type of economy, we must all look for alternate sources of income and not rely on just one type of income. If you're working at a company, tomorrow, if the economy crashes, you might lose the job. And what will you do next? You might find another job, but what will you do until then? Will you get an equally better job? Probably not. The risk is just too high. So my advice to all of you who are looking to avoid the risk and are looking at ways to make money on the side or have an additional income source is to start blogging today. And I'm saying this as someone who's been blogging for the last 10 plus years or so. And I'm not saying blogging is the only way out. There are many other ways to invest your money for extra income, but blogging is what I would recommend from my experience. Blogging has always helped me earn the income on the side, and that always helps. Even when I was working with companies, my blogging efforts were making me enough money to have an additional income. And at one time, it came to a point where I was making 4 times my salary at one point, that I quit my corporate job and switched to blogging completely. Of course, it took some time until I reached that point, but the truth is that I wouldn't have reached that point if I had not started earlier. I know of bloggers who started making serious money in under 1 year or so. There are many such amazing bloggers who are now full-time bloggers from India itself. I think this is a great opportunity. Invest in blogging today so that you build a safety net for yourself. If something happens to your corporate job tomorrow, you will have the income from blogging to sustain and keep you unaffected for at least a while. Again, I'm not saying that it's a guarantee that you will start making money from day one. Like any other work, it depends on your skills, effort, and hard work. But if you start today and take small steps, it'll help you in the long run. Think of it as running a marathon and not a 100-meter sprint. That's the best analogy I can think of. So with these difficult times, I think it's only going to get worse, and at least in the immediate future. I hope it all gets cleared and things get back to normal. But this is a wake-up call for all of us who are thinking that everything we have always built will remain the way it will. Our jobs, incomes, economy, no. We got to be smart and understand that putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. Diversify your income sources. Build an additional income source today on top of your regular income or job. There are many ways to do this, like stock trading, mutual funds, etc. But blogging is an easy way to get started with minimal investment and maximum revenue. Just think about it. I thought it made sense to spread this message during these tough times. It's not intended to scare you or mislead you in any way. Just sharing my experience and thoughts before it's too late. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Mani Karthik signing off.